Hey, did you do the mod for removing your bottom of your license plate? Link will be in the upper right corner if you didn't. Doesn't that look good? Do you notice what I did? Can you see what's different? Be the first one on the block with this modification. Okay, so here is the before. A lot of wasted light there. Ooh, let's turn off the overhead lights. A lot of wasted light there. And then if I bring the camera back, down on the wheel there, we're going to fix it. Gaff tape. That's plenty long, then we'll trim it after that. Get your squeegee tool. Take a quarter or a half inch of it to go over the license plate. And then just stick it right on. Now it looks more like a bicycle, not a motorcycle. And the after. I like that. It's a cleaner look. Didn't need that. I'm not going to run a license plate because you're not going to pull me up out of a lineup. Hi, man. What do you think? Let's see here. Let's slide this back up closer to it. And let's turn the lights back on. Much cleaner look. Much cleaner. Hi, man. See you.